Hello, and welcome back. Let me ask you a question. How to separate water? How to decompose water? May you separate water by electricity? Yeah, that's right. To separate water, its components, hydrogen and oxygen, water, H2O. So, if you decompose water ions, you're gonna find positive hydrogen ion and oxygen ion or negative oxygen ion. Okay, so it's easy to separate water by electricity, which is known as electrolysis. So let's try it. Here I have beaker. Okay, let me add water. Okay, here I have water. Okay, let me first try to connect the electricity to water, and then let's check it, and let's try which way will be the best way to separate components. Here I have the electric source. Okay, so I'm gonna use the DC, the direct current. Okay, so here's my water. What do you think? Well, this one. Yeah, perfect. This one is cathode and this one is anode. Okay, the negative one, cathode, the positive one is anode. And let me connect the other one. I hope it doesn't explode. Let's try. Now it's connected. Okay, by the way, I can change the voltage, as you see. So 6 volt, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let me choose 12 volt. As you see, there are tiny bubbles that come from this wire, which is negative. So this one is the cathode. What do you think? Which gas evolves at the cathode? Which gas comes at the negative pole? Yeah, that's hydrogen. This one, these bubbles are hydrogen bubbles. And the positive, or the anode, here as you see, the positive one, okay, this one should be oxygen. Wow, can you see the bubbles? Okay, decomposition of water. To speed up the decomposition or separation of hydrogen and oxygen, let me add just a few droplets of sulfuric acid. You know, it's dangerous one. Okay, so here, sulfuric acid. So I have to deal with it carefully. And here I have a dropper. So just take, I think just 2 droplets of sulfuric acid are enough. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3 droplets. Return it back. Okay. You have to deal with sulfuric acid carefully because, it's very dangerous. Okay. Now, let's take a look to decomposition, what happens. As you see again, hydrogen bubbles are coming out at the cathode, and oxygen, it's less than hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen, or the amount of hydrogen gas that comes out, is double the amount of oxygen because it's H2O. Wow. Really, science is fun. I like it so much. So adding sulfuric acid speeds up the decomposition. As you know, distilled water does not conduct electricity, so we need to add ions. So sulfuric acid helps us to conduct electricity through water and decompose water to hydrogen and oxygen. I hope you like it, and see you soon, inshallah. Bye.